Alright, so we're back at it again, and we just want to perfectly fold irregular items. Usually you might just hang this, but if you want to fold, I'll teach you how. So starting off with the same method, so we have the same template. This is used in all my videos. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch the t-shirt folding video first in order to make your own. But let me just go ahead and show you how to fold a dress. And this dress, it still has the tags on because I haven't decided if I want to sell it or keep it yet. But regardless, it'll be the same method. So go ahead and flatten it out and perfectly center it. The dress, smooth it out. And we just want to do the same thing. So take your dress and put it all the way to the edge of the rectangle right here. And then for the skirt, just imagine if it was a long rectangle. You have to fold this back and forth a few times. Flatten that out. Repeat to the other side. So fold it up. So you can see the rectangle right here. And then fold it back. And fold it inwards again. So we have a long rectangle now. Go ahead and fold it in half. And then with your measurement, go ahead and decide how fat you want it. So this is the finished product, and there it stands. So that was the first irregular piece. Most people hang these dresses, but if you really want to fold it, I'll definitely show you how. So you just go ahead and lay your dress flat. And this is kind of why you have that exaggerated rectangle, just so it'll show throughout the whole garment. So you exactly know where to fold. So go ahead and flatten it out. And then go ahead and fold inwards. And you want it at the very edge of the rectangle, nothing outside it. Do the same thing with the other side. So we have one long rectangle now. And then fold it in half. Just leaving a little bit of space right here. So there we have it. And now stand right up. The next item I'm going to show you is skirts. Where's the skirt? Okay, there it is. For this, you're going to do pretty much the exact same thing. So go ahead and lay it out. And you want to center it, so there's the middle. We're going to go ahead and basically trace that long rectangle again. So fold to the middle, and then fold back. And then again, you don't want it outside this rectangle, so fold it back one more time. Do the same thing with the other side. So there's our rectangle. Fold it back. And then fold it back again. So there's a long rectangle now. And then go ahead and use this as a guide to see how to fold it. And then for this material, I don't think it'll stand easily. It kind of does. So there you have it. There's the rectangle. And you can store it upright with all the rest of your skirts. So the next irregular item I'm going to show you is a jumpsuit kind of thing. What are they called? I guess one piece. This one still has the tag. I'm debating if I want to keep it or sell it. So just go ahead and lay your garment. And this one's a long sleeve, perfectly centered. Take the sleeve and make an X shape. Same thing with the other side. If it's a little long, you can fold it back up. And then fold it to the middle. Fold it to the middle. And then basically we have a long rectangle here. You could fold this up and then use this as a guide. So I want my folds to start here and just roll it up. to school.
So hopefully you found this video helpful. Hit the like button and subscribe for more.